Here's my long-term maintenance review of the hrx217 from Honda. I've had this mower, it had an hour meter on it, but it died a few weeks ago at 246 hours. I think it's got about 260 hours on it now. It's done all of this summer, the winter, and the previous summer, which was half drought and half okay. I do my oil changes every 25 hours on the 25, 50, 75, just to remember it. I got my maintenance book here, so early on at about the first oil change, it snapped the end off the starter spring, so that was a breakdown, but I got it repaired at no cost, just refolding over the end of that spring, and it's been fine ever since. Also early on did the re-grease of the drive cogs and all that business in there. I've done that. Did it about 100 hours, and I think I've done it again about 200. I'm not the maintenance fanatic that some people are. It's done a couple of ropes. It did a rope at around 100 hours, and it's done a couple more, but you can change them pretty quick. Had a bit of a problem with the airbox cover. Put a new one on there from eBay. At 180 hours, we did a drive cable. Got that replaced. New rear tyres, just over 200 hours. At 240 hours, I went to the shop and got the valves adjusted and all that. That's not something I do. It was running okay, but I just thought it was time to throw it in for a pro service. This white American bag that I run, it's wearing, and it didn't go on. It didn't go on from the word go. It didn't go until the drought broke and we got out of the dust. So it's maybe 200 hours old of ute life. I can't give accurate details of the blade usage, but it's really not much. It might have gone through 2 sets. I rotate a few different sets, and some were already used when I started it, so unfortunately I can't give you accurate blade usage. I got the pre-filter, and then with the pre-filter the actual elements, they last a long time. That might only be second or third element. And that's about it. That's about it for the mower. And when I say that's about it with the 216. You always seem to be getting a 10mm and adjusting things and doing stuff, but this one doesn't get touched week to week. They're pretty good. I think it's time to stop referring to it as a domestic mower. People are happy with commercial cylinder mowers. They can't do everything. This mower can't do everything, but it's a commercial mower. Alright, thanks.